Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 24 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. It's Christmas Eve. I hope you're ready. I hope you finished all the cooking. I haven't yet. I just managed to bake some things yesterday with my daughters and yes, more cooking today. So we've got Creative Craft products as a goodie inside, and I already know what's inside because I had a look and I removed it from this plastic sleeve. These are 3D foam squares and they look like they are 3 millimeters thick and a quarter of an inch maybe. Let's see, I think these are even smaller. Yes, they are 5 millimeters size, and I think no, it looks like 2 millimeters thickness. So really handy for any projects, and probably you do use them as well because I do. So as I showed you yesterday, I will try to pull all the envelopes from Creative Craft products, and I'm going to attempt to use them all for today's project. So let me prepare some elements and I will be back with my tutorial. So these are the products from a Creative Craft products wallet. So we had sentiments, stickers from day number 3. We had those tags, which as you can see, I create them on day number 8, and we've got that was the base, and I created those. So I'm thinking to use some of them. I don't know which one yet. We had cardstock in day number 13, and I pulled those papers because I've got some few, well actually like pieces of papers from day number 6 from card making magic, and I was thinking I might use those. And of course in day number 20 we had those sequins as well. So let me cut my card base, and I will be back with arranging some of those elements on my card. So I've got my card blank, which measures 4 5/8 square with the top fold. I'm using the small card only because I really want to use the cardstock from day number 13 and the papers as well from day number 6. So because they're quite small and I don't have much, I decided to make a small one, and of course I'm going to make envelope off camera as well, just to have it for this card. So I'm using the matte black first, and then I'm going to use that mint green from day number 13, that from that cardstock, which measures 4 1/8 of an inch. So let me adhere that, and then I'm going to use the pattern paper. Then I have to decide which tag I want to use on my card. We just still haven't decided which to use because they're all so pretty, and I think all of them works on this project. This pattern paper measures 4 inches square. So as you can see, the margin is quite smaller for this because I just want to show just a tiny bit of that mint green, and I really wanted that black to be showing a bit more just to frame it, because my tag, I think I will go for the gold one. Let me just try. I like the rose gold and the silver as well, or maybe I should go for silver. I want to go, okay, let me go for silver, because yesterday I did a stack in gold. Look at this. If you remember that video from yesterday, you know that I've done this card, and it's white, black and gold, which I love that color combo for Christmas. So I think I will go for the silver one, and then let me just adhere those foam squares, and where did I put them? Oh yeah. So I'm going to adhere those, and because these are small, I think I'm going to do it off camera because they're so tiny and it's going to take me ages to put them. So I added those foam squares underneath that tag. black, and now I'm going to adhere it to my card. I'm going to put that end of the string behind it, and let me adhere it. So I'm going to leave myself enough space for the floral composition. I think that's fine, and I need a sentiment from the sentiment stickers. So let me maneuver that poinsettia. I cut that one in red instead of white, because yesterday I used white one. Today I decided to go for red. Why not? And I cut myself two different sizes. One is smaller, one is bigger, so this way it will look nice and full, I think. And I've got those leaves which I cut previously, and I meant to use them, but I haven't. So I think today is the day to add them to my project. So I'm adding a bit of glue, just trying to see where I want to position my poinsettia. Just need to press it a bit longer, and then another one here, and then I will add here my poinsettia, and then I will see if I need another leaf or not. Maybe I will add this one. I've got another one on my desk somewhere, so let me grab that one. And yes, I'm going to make it fuller, and in the center I'm going to add my poinsettia. So that's fine. I'm sorry, I think I'm losing my voice again. Hopefully not. So I'm going to lift those petals up a little bit and wait for that poinsettia to be adhered properly. And I was thinking to add that green. Or should I add the green? Oh no, I think I will go for that deep red in the center. I'm going to add a little bit of glue just in case, just to make sure that it's going to be adhered properly. Yeah, and I really like that gem in the center. So now, as you can see, we just need the sentiment. So I was thinking to go for one of those white ones. I don't think I want this one, and the other ones, they don't really. Or maybe I should, let me just do a dry run and see. Maybe this one, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to adhere it on a white card, or should I do black? Which one should I do? Black? Let me see. I'm going to just put it down and see. No, too much black. I think I'm going to, oops, it's quite strong. I've got some pieces of card next to me. Yes, and let me do the white one. I think the white will look nice. No. I should go for this one. Yes, and I think that's the one I want to use. You see, it's not that easy, especially when I'm not fully prepared for recording and I'm still thinking about which option is best. So I think this one, maybe not. But in anyway, it's adhered now and I'm going to use it. I have to make it work now. So let me just cut this one. And I think it will work. It usually does. Let me see. I think it goes nicely with that other mat. And yes, I think it's time to add, I think, 2 those foam squares, and it will be finished. I was thinking about adding those sequins, and I'm still thinking if I should. I will just try in a minute to see if I could add them. Just need to see those foam squares. Yes, I think I'm going to add it. Oh, here below. Everything is so tiny that it's not easy to grip. So I hope you like those videos, and thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for all your lovely comments. And yes, I'm so happy that I managed to convince Katarina and Mer to do this collaboration with me, because I think it would be much harder to do it all by myself, and this way at least we could chat about our daily struggles a little bit. And it was so nice to do it with both of them, and I hope it's not going to be our last collaboration. Actually, I did collaborate with Katarina already previously, and I think I think I can tell you now that she decided to join my other collaboration, which is Fancy Fold Craft Challenge. Yeah, I think I might add those. So she's going to join our group, and she's going to be create tutorials as well. So I'm really excited, and I'm sure she's excited as well about that. We having a January break, but on the 5th of February we will be back with the next Fancy Fold for you guys. So as I announced, if you watch my last video from the 5th of December, you know that we are taking January off. And yes, because it was a bit busy, and I think 5th of January is just quite early for doing anything. I think after Christmas and New Year. So yes, you see, I managed to use the sequins as well, and I like it. This really tiny card looks so nice. I love so many things about it. Overall, it works for me, and I hope you will like it as well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your comments and for all your support and encouragements for all of us to carry on with those videos. I hope you're going to have fantastic Christmas Eve, and you're ready for Christmas Day tomorrow. I will be enjoying cooking with my daughters and my husband, so it's going to be a fun day. And we usually celebrate, we have usually very festive Christmas Eve dinner. And yes, this is our tradition from back home, actually. So we're going to have a Christmas Christmas Eve dinner tonight. So once again, thank you so much for all your comments. If you're new on my channel, please give me thumbs ups if you like those kind of videos. Write me some comments, subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and hit that notification bell so you can get notifications about my new videos. So I will see you tomorrow on day 25 on a Christmas Day with our last video tutorial and last wallet. I hope you will come back and see what's in the last wallet. So yes, I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.